Hello there, Paul here from WP Genie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find out the dimensions of an image that you want to replace that's on your website. So the reason why we want to know the exact dimensions of the image on our website is so that we can replace it with a similar size image, and we don't want to make a really big image and then that really big image then goes down to a really small display on the website. We want to actually make that big image and make it exactly the same size as the display, for reasons being that we want the website to load faster. That's pretty much it, right? And we want to make the image size smaller. So let's jump in to this practical exercise. So one of my clients, and I'm just going to show how. Okay, so for example, we've got some images here on the home page, right? So let's just say that we want to replace this image here, okay? And we want to know the dimensions, the height and the width of this image, so that when we're creating the image in our photo editor or software before we upload the image to the website, we can make the same dimensions. All right, so really super easy. So what you do is you just right click with your mouse on the image. Now I am using Chrome, so some browsers could be different, but most of them are pretty similar in the sense of what you can do here. So you right click on it and then you get the contextual menu here, and then we go inspect. Now you'll notice that little pop-up that appeared at the top of the image. Now it's disappeared now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and click on the Select Element tool, and I'm going to go and hover over the image. Okay, so you can see that now you've got the blue outline or the blue overlay of the image, and you can see that this image is 320 by 320. So it's 320 pixels squared. All right, so then what we do is we just create our image to be 320 by 320 pixels, and then we upload that to the website and replace the image. Simple as that. And same goes for this image here if we wanted to change this. So this one is 689 by 314.97. Now I would just round that up. I'd just go to 690 by 315. There's really no big difference between 1 pixel here or there. So that's essentially it, really. That's how you find out the dimensions of an image that's on your website that you want to replace. So thanks for watching. Hope that's helped, and I'll see you in the next video.